One of the most popular images that you see during the tropical season is the spaghetti plot. It's a popular one. It's fun to look at. It looks like strands of spaghetti. They all have different colors stemming off of a tropical feature. These are basically different forecast models' interpretation of where the center of a possible system or developed system will be heading. This represents the middle track of the storm. It doesn't tell you anything about intensity. Some of the models perform better than others, and these can be very useful for trends. So what we're seeing one day versus the next, the trend is especially important with the spaghetti plot. It's not the exact track, so you can't get locked into one model that you really like. It's the group of them that can really be helpful in determining where a storm may be heading. A developing disturbance, though, initially has no defined center. So a lot of times the spaghetti plot will be all over the place, running the full gambit of the Gulf of Mexico. When you see spaghetti plots like this, they offer poor confidence, poor reliability in the forecast. They don't know where the center is, so they're all over the place. So I always say when the spaghetti's out of the bag, it's not going to be good spaghetti. It's going to get stale. It's not that great. Anywhere from Mexico to Florida on a spaghetti plot like this, a potential system could go. So the reliability of something like that is very poor. When storms start to develop, they get a central eye, a central area of low pressure. That's a lot easier for the models to define, and they definitely get better grips on where this is going to be headed. So this one, you can see that the plot is much more confined. There's not a huge window. It's eyeing the northern Gulf states. There's much better reliability. And what we'll see happen at this point is that the trend on these models will start to key in on specific areas. So when you see the spaghetti that's still in the bag on a spaghetti plot, much more reliability when you're looking at data like this. So I've been writing a blog on this. We're going to put that video plus a much bigger description on the website. This, of course, in prelude to hurricane season starting on June the 1st. By the way, our hurricane special, I've been working like overtime on this with our photographer, Preston West. That's going to air next Thursday, 1 week from today at 6:30 on KIII TV. We're going to preempt Wheel of Fortune with